Heck.
See, that's just been my whole life.
Me realizing at one point I'll have to sketch/design background somehow. Listen, Christian. Listen. Brushes. And then blur that shit out. My favorite technique. I'm gonna just do this one real quick. So
I need to know this.
Yeah, my favorite technique.
I stopped queuing for an ARAM. Let's see this favorite technique.
Alright, fine. I'm gonna start with something simple. So I'm gonna just start, beautiful blue, green sky, whatever. And
I need you to upload a VOD to YouTube just so that way I can be like, okay, how's your art process?
I guess, yeah, because it's gonna stay up for a little bit, and then I can just try to find this specific spot in the video. How much time? We're at 1 hour and 56 minutes in. Alright, cool. That's where we're gonna start for the how I draw background shit.
Alright then, let's get prepared.
I got my pretty blue sky, right? And I'm just gonna add a gradient with my gradient tool. Just boop. And then add a little bit of purple because I like purple. I don't really understand color theory, but boop. Sure, why not good enough, right? I'm gonna go over to my, I'm not sure what this is called. Let me hover over it. What are you called? Decoration. Cool. That's what that's called. Vegetation. My favorite one is trees. And I'm gonna start with the darkest color for the background. Oh, what size? Yeah, sure, that works. Darkest color background. Fill that shit up. Another layer. Go for a lighter color. I'm gonna go with greens for this one.
This should look like a YouTube thumbnail.
My greens. Yeah, basically. Go lighter greens.
Wood.
That's how I learned. Start going into your yellows. That's the wrong layer. My bad. Shut up.
You always do this.
Wrong layer.
So yeah.
Listen, there's like
Wrong
Bob Ross
layer,
once
that's
said,
it.
happy little accidents.
Exactly.
Now win the woods, mate.
Now I'm gonna add. You know what,
Christian, I am there with you.
Alright, and then for the ones in the back, I usually like adding a little bit of color for what's going on in the background. So in this case, that I'm gonna put a bit of a red. You're gonna get this layer.
Go from
Flip
cool
it.
to warm colors.
No, I don't want that. Blue? Sure, good enough. More black. And I just play with the colors. That's why each one's a different layer.
Dumbass.
Add some gradients to the ones in the back. What's this? There's nothing on that. Alright, cool. Now I'm gonna combine all my layers because I'm a madman. All my trees are now together in one layer. I get my blur tool, blur the shit out of it. And there you go. That's your background. And let's add some clouds. Go back to my decoration thing.
Cloudy from PFP.
My natural. There's a striped cloud right there, already made for you. How pretty. Clouds.
The blur tool can also be used to exaggerate and draw focus to specific areas by blurring anything above the thing. It's a really good way of drawing attention.
I'm gonna give it a little bit of purple. I'm gonna lock that layer. Give it a little bit of color. This is how I do my shit. Add some yellow on top.
I will say that the blur tool, as great as it is, all that it does for me is am I wearing my glasses? that's the only thing. It strains my eyes seeing things blurry. I need a focal point.
And then I'm just gonna.
Little did you guys know, I sent Metsumei just a picture of my backyard.
And that's what I'm drawing right now. That's too bright. Can I get the brushes a wee bit smaller? Okay, fine. It's not working with me. I'm gonna go to foliage now. Give it
foliage.
I mean, you're missing
Curses. Foliaged again.
And then you might have a character in here, and they're just they're chilling.
Sandwich him between the foreground and the background.
Basically. They're just gonna be here being all what's going on? I'm just a character in here in this amazing background. And I have a hat.
Spectacular. And
Great.
I have a hat.
There you go. That's how you make happy trees. Yes, Bob Ross. Thank you, Christian. The
Happy tree
end.
ferns.